Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel by click the subscribe button, press the bell icon and get notified directly for last upload. You already subscribed, please press the bell icon and never miss another update. Please also click like video button. Thanks you for watching. Eye cream to remove dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles. Naturally, the appearance of dark circles under your eyes is a common beauty issue and almost all of you face this. Other beauty concern includes wrinkles and fine lines on your face. These beauty troubles disturb your even facial tone and thus, you lose your even skin tone as a result. If you are facing these beauty issues, here, I am going to share with you the recipe for making an eye cream to remove dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles naturally and fast too. How to remove dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles naturally. To make an eye cream at home for the cure of fine lines, wrinkles and dark circles, the ingredients you will need are aloe vera gel, 1 small potato, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E oil, glycerin. Procedure: first, wash potato and grate it to extract its juice. Take a small bowl and in it, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. After this, add 1/4 tablespoon of glycerin. Next, add 1/4 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Now, add 1/2 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. After this, add 1 tablespoon of potato juice. You can store it in the refrigerator for 7 days. To store this cream for 2 months, replace potato juice with rose water. Now, mix all of these ingredients well. Store the cream in a clean jar. How to use: wipe under eye area with a cotton ball soaked in rose water. Take a little amount of this cream and apply it daily on under eye area and leave it overnight. Continue using it for 4 to 5 days and get rid of dark circles, eye wrinkles, puffy eyes and fine lines. Benefits you will get: the use of sweet almond oil is very effective for reducing the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines and spots around your eye area. Glycerin is a natural moisturizer and it keeps dark circles and under eye wrinkles away. Grapeseed oil also helps to fade dark circles under your eyes. It treats spots, wrinkles and fine lines too. Aloe vera gives a soothing and a calming effect to your skin. Also, it makes skin soft and smooth. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Thus, it helps to cure dark circles and puffy eyes. This eye cream is natural and it has many beauty benefits for you. It contributes to treat spots and pigmentation on your skin. Also, you can use it on your face to get rid of tan skin. It treats dull skin and pimple marks and acne scars naturally. This eye cream to remove dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles naturally are very effective. So, follow the recipe and make this beauty cream and get rid of these common beauty issues.